Plant-based eating. How to transition to a vegan diet or a vegetarian diet. In an age where sustainability and health have become cornerstones of modern living, plant-based diets have made their way from the sidelines into mainstream culinary awareness. Whether it's for ethical reasons, environmental concerns, or simply even the quest for improved health, an increasing number of individuals are looking to the abundant world of plants to nourish their bodies and souls. But how does one transition from a diet rooted in animal products to one that celebrates greens, grains, and everything in between, and more importantly, the pros and cons? We all know that embarking on such a journey can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, patience, and a spoonful of inspiration, it can be both rewarding and transformative, and we will help you in that. A vegan diet offers numerous nutritional advantages. Predominantly plant-based, it ensures a rich intake of whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. This kind of diet inherently ranks highest for nutritional quality among various diets, boasting higher levels of vitamin C, magnesium, iron, and folate, while generally being lower in calories and saturated fats. When considering outcomes, the vegan diet stands out. Research shows that individuals following such a diet experience a reduced risk of chronic ailments such as cardiovascular diseases, certain cancers, and hypertension. Furthermore, it's associated with lower risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular mortality. This diet even has potential therapeutic benefits, potentially in aiding treatment of conditions like high blood pressure, diverticular disease, and eye cataracts. One of the subtle benefits of veganism is its encouragement of mindful eating. The inherent restrictions of the diet mean that vegans often need to make more conscious and deliberate food choices. This can actually lead to heightened awareness and planning, practices that closely monitor the principles of mindful eating. Additionally, the diet's limitations can be a boon for dietary diversity. As many traditional foods are excluded, vegans often find themselves experimenting with a broader range of unfamiliar foods, expanding their palate. Another notable advantage is the potential for weight loss. Studies have indicated that a well-practiced vegan diet can be conducive to weight reduction, and may be even more effective than other diets. This is particularly advantageous for those struggling with weight management. From an economic perspective, veganism can be cost-effective. By excluding meat, seafood, and dairy, all typically expensive food items, one can make significant savings. Moreover, vegan staples such as grains, legumes are usually more budget-friendly. The environmental benefits of a vegan diet cannot be overstated. With reduced resource consumption, especially on land and water, in the long run, it is more sustainable. Moreover, it plays a huge role in decreasing greenhouse gas emissions, particularly the methane produced by livestock, making it a more eco-friendly choice. Lastly, many adopt a vegan diet for ethical reasons, aiming to prevent harm to animals. Addressing concerns about animal cruelty, this diet avoids products derived from animals. Interestingly, studies have shown that those who choose veganism for these ethical reasons often remain more committed to the diet in the long term. The cons, on the other hand, are fewer, but sometimes very significant. Transitioning to a vegan diet can be challenging for many. A major concern is the feeling of restriction, as many familiar foods are eliminated, and sometimes these rapid changes to our lifestyle or diet can upset our stomach or even us mentally. As one navigates this new dietary landscape, they need to be vigilant about potential nutritional gaps. Essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12, protein, vitamin D, omega-3s, and iron can sometimes be lacking in a vegan's diet. Making careful meal planning is very much imperative. Another challenge for vegans is the need to constantly label check, meaning we have to look for hidden animal byproducts that can easily sneak into seemingly vegan-friendly foods, especially in processed items. This vigilance also extends to eating out, dining in restaurants, or even at social events, as often these circumstances have limited vegan options, and some places even have misconceptions about what truly constitutes a vegan-friendly dish. Lastly, while the vegan label on food products might suggest a healthy choice, it's essential to remember that not all vegan foods are created equal. Processed vegan foods in particular can be as calorie-dense and unhealthy as non-vegan counterparts. So what do you think? Leave your comments below. Would you move into a vegan diet, or would that be too big of a change in your lifestyle? Leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our page. See you in our next video.